It's all going down right now with the sexiest makeup artist in Iloilo. Oh, bestie, is it even me? I look like a freaking different person. I love it. Can I just put this filter on every day? Uh-oh, I think it's my eyes glued together. Let's go all the way back. There you go. Am I pulling you?
Yeah.
Alright, so we are doing makeup now. So it starts at 2. They want me there at 1, but I know that's like... So they said just come before 2. So here we are. Yan is is gonna hand off the file moving to Bea, and we're gonna get this makeup on the road. Here we go. Imagine you're all packed up. All right, so look at his beautiful setup. Yes, I'm with the sexiest makeup artist in Iloilo. Here we go. Bea drove because I'm wet. I'm literally wet. You can't see this, but I am drying my naked body. My naked body is drying and I'm eating a rice cake. I was like, I have to get my makeup done. So basically, what we're doing, I'm naked under here, and then I'm gonna wear the bathing suit. Maybe do you think I could drive going back now, huh?
Yeah, kaya ma-retouch ka naman.
And then she's gonna retouch. Then I wear I think we do the makeup and then after the hair and makeup, I wear the bathing suit because it'll be drier then. And then she'll retouch me there. And then I go on stage. So it starts at 2, but you know how it is. I asked them, I said, tell me when it, but I also don't want to be like, going there at 2 retouching. So he said, just get there before, I'm thinking in my head 140 or something. But anyway. Alright, there's a lot going on in this room. Bea is making sure we have memory in the other camera. We've got makeup going on.
Wala man nag-double.
Wala ba?
Hindi siya masulod kung may ara siya.
Oh, smart!
Those files na
Oh, smart!
Sa isa ka, dito.
Tapos lang eh.
Right now, we have the tan drying on my body. We have Kit Kats going in my mouth. We have a camera being emptied. It's all going down right now with the sexiest makeup artist in Iloilo. They all thought Bea's competing too.
Backstage na cold man or init man.
I don't even know where they're backstage technically, because they went straight to them. We should have checked. I wasn't even. I just wanted to get it done. I should have checked what the backstage. If anything, I think I'll. There's gotta be a backstage because I have to bring my resistance band. I think is it my eyes glued together? No. I close my eye there.
Grabe man mga lawas kay Bandgang na mamay.
Yeah. The Bali one?
No, ito yan.
Dude. It's not her first rodeo.
Hindi ba?
No, she did the natural federation bodybuilding. You know that's hardcore.
Like they're here for competition.
Yeah, like she is here for this. Like they invested in, a flight, travel, everything. Like, I thought I was going beyond to get a hotel.
Princess man.
I thought people would just drive here.
First experience mo na man.
Yeah. Oh, bestie, is it even me? That you, instead of saying hey guys, it's my bestie. I don't hey guys. Only the besties here. So, alright, it's 1 p.m. and my last intake before stage is now. Cuz, can you do the honors? There's 2 Kit Kats in that bag.
Wait, I give it to you.
Oh, it's another 2. The last
So you
2.
ate them.
Yeah, every hour. So that was the 12 o'clock too, and now
It's not
it's in yeah, because I didn't expect to. It's in the Puma bag. Wow! Oh my God, I love these tones. Oh, I'm gonna start doing orangey tones. Oh, salamat, kid.
No, may mo ano ba morena ba ikaw?
Yeah, I gotta embrace it. That Latina thing. What does it mean?
Latina.
Yeah, what does it even mean? Like, cause they say that. Like, what does it mean? No, really. Like, when do you use that?
Like make-up, smoke make-up, ang pageant. Latina make-up. Kung nabitan doyin, no? So, Latina naman. You do yung make-up for for mga Koreans, like Chinese na mura. Yung double lid. Yun sa Chinese.
Like the heavy under eye.
Heavy under eye.
Which is funny,
double eyelid. Like, di ba, another lashes put in lower.
Whoa!
Doyin make-up.
Tapos ang mata nila ito ko.
Ngunit to look bigger. Pero kung kaksen, gamay-gamay,
Grabe,
small.
transformation nila.
Are you tan, cuz, or are you morena? I'm like, was she always morena?
Morena man.
Are you tan? I don't remember you being like that color.
Natural skin, Asian skin.
That's really your skin?
Yeah. I'm not
What?
tan or more. You could say more, but not that.
Kung tan, ito medyo darker gawin no.
Like neutral.
Like, I'm morena.
Morena.
Okay, check in with you guys later. So, I don't know if you guys noticed the palette. I broke the seal, the first person that uses Dior shimmers.
Dior Universal powder.
Yes. As I eat my Kit Kat. Wow, so I guess if you want a pump, if you're depleted and you want a pump, I never would have thought. Those palettes are Sunnies.
Ang Sunnies.
Really? I never even knew that was a thing until Melissa came here asking for Sunnies. I'm like, what the heck? They know about this in the States?
Ang Sunnies. Actually, top brand siya ka Philippines.
Yeah, like when she came here from the States, she came looking for that. I was like,
Ay, ito pala.
I had no idea what she's
Hindi ka na blurry. No? Yung batang, ang powder.
Powder.
Hindi ka na-blur. Hamis na bala. No?
What do you mean by hummus?
Like kinis. Like plakado.
Ano nga powder?
It's in the 3rd floor at
Pero Philippines na nga brand,
Yeah,
Philippine
and they
brand.
come here asking for it.
How much ang saya pa man yun?
599. Isa sa Tilbury. This one is
Alam, di ba, latest
3,500.
I know.
Mahal.
Yeah.
Yeah, Charlotte Tilbury.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
but
expensive.
Every LA girl. The Charlotte Tilbury, no, they have their own, they're the standalone store. That's how big they are.
Yes.
In LA, they're their own, like a Mac.
Pero namin, mo dyan
They replaced the Mac.
Ipatikta, one size.
Yeah.
Iso.
Oh, you were wondering if I'd
The first.
softer one?
Softer.
Alright. My last Kit Kat of the day. Oh my god. I look like a freaking different person. I love it. Can I just put this filter on every day? So he's gonna transition to hair while I'm doing this, and then do lipstick after I'm done. Savoring every bite. I cut it when I turned it black. Should I stand so you see where it falls, or?
Dito lang. Itansyan ko lang gano'n.
Oh, I can see. Only thing I need to bring is extra dress. So just hold that, and then I'm gonna roll it.
Okay.
Make more slack, more tight.
Time check.
What time is it?
146.
Oh shoot.
More what?
Maybe you just hold it here. Yeah.
Here?
Maybe put it around here at your waist. Yeah. Okay, go back. Yeah.
Okay.
Or go all the way back. There you go. Am I pulling you?
Yeah.
Go ahead and.
I'm holding.
Oh. I get you. Okay. Yeah. So then this one, and then I think maybe even these ones, right? Just follow.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's and then here. Do it too. So we can double see. Oh, maybe you could plug there. That'll be.
Here.
It won't reach. Oh, there's a session. After the last few touches of my hair, I decided to do one last posing practice at the hotel. And then, all right, guys, we got in the car and rushed to the stage.
I put that record on and suddenly I'm on the stage. I wear my t-shirt like umbrella, brace a glamour page. Don't take a lot to get me out my head when I feel great, when I've been feeling great.